Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Vidhan Sabha election. Number 1. The Vidhan Sabha election is held in each state of India. 2. It helps people choose representatives for their state assembly. 3. These representatives called MLS. 4th, MLS make laws and decisions for the state. 5th, every adult citizen age 18 or above can vote in this election. 6. The process is organized by the Election Commission of India. 7. The election happens every 5 years or earlier if needed. 8. The party with the most seats forms the state government. 9. Voting is a way for people to share their views and choose good leaders. 10. It is a celebration of democracy. Every vote is important for the state's future. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.